Hey everyone! I found Cristiano Ronaldo's monster truck out here. Oh, I see someone. Hope that's the real Ronaldo. Let's go check it out. Guys, this is Ronaldo's real truck. Man, how many cars does this guy even have? Oh, I get it. You're a Ronaldo fan. Folks, subscribe to the channel if you're a Ronaldo fan too. Dude, what happened to your jersey? Were you going that hard cheering for Ronaldo at the World Cup? Bro, you lost your shoe. Where are your boots anyway? Whoa, no way. These boots say CR7. That's Cristiano Ronaldo's mark. These are his boots. Unbelievable. I wonder what else is in here. Maybe there are some of his trophies too? Oh, is this Ronaldo's wallet? Let's take a look. Looks like this is Ronaldo's card. Gotta return this to him. Whoa, check out these Ronaldo branded dollars. I'm keeping these for myself. Oh no, dude, only Ronaldo can handle this whistle. Alright, what is this trophy? Oh, that's the golden ball, the real Ballon d'Or. I think Ronaldo's won it like 5 or 6 times. Folks, if you know for sure, drop it in the comments. Oh, another trophy. Hey buddy, be careful. No way, these are actual photos of Cristiano Ronaldo with this yellow monster truck. This is so cool. What else is in here? Oh, it's Cristiano Ronaldo fishing. Drop a like if you love fishing too. Whoa, you won't see photos like this on his social media. Folks, who's better, Messi or Ronaldo? Let me know in the comments. Oh, why is Ronaldo's iPhone so smashed up? Looks like it got run over by the monster truck. I think I already know who might have done this. Let's take a closer look at this yellow truck. Oh look, this is definitely Ronaldo's monster truck. But how did it end up here? In the middle of a field, no people, no stadium anywhere. Did he come out here to warm up before a match? Looks like this guy can't get it started. Let's check it out. Alright, yeah, it's really not starting. Okay, let's go check what's under the hood. Visually, everything looks fine. There's even a battery. Let's check out the air filter. Whoa, this thing is a mess. Completely clogged with dirt. The frame's all rusted. Ronaldo clearly hasn't looked after this monster truck in a while. Dude, where's the fuse cover? What even is this? Everything else seems to be in place. I don't see any real issues. It's probably just the battery. It's dead. Let's jumpstart it from my car. By the way, folks, I know one fact about Ronaldo. His resting heart rate is only 44 beats per minute. That's crazy low. His heart is insanely powerful. Drop a like if you think he's the greatest footballer ever. Hey, dude, what are you doing? Don't break my car. All right, let's try starting it. I found the problem. It's out of gas. Dude, why aren't you keeping track of your fuel? Alright, lucky for you, I've got some with me. Let's share. I don't have much gas on me, but hopefully it's enough for Ronaldo's monster truck. Let's check the oil too, just in case that's low as well. Only thing is, I don't have any oil with me. Phew, it's fine. All right, parts are in place, gas is in, we can try starting it. Yes, it's working! Got lucky this time, no major repairs needed, but honestly, I'd still love to dig deeper under the hood of this beast. Whoa, dude, what are you doing? Alright, I really hope you know how to drive this thing properly. Folks, let me know in the comments, would you trust your car to a Ronaldo superfan or not? I'll take all the trophies with me. Hopefully I'll run into Ronaldo and give them back to him. Oh, there's something else interesting here. Yeah, I love Ronaldo too. Whoa, would you guys want a Ronaldo head on your car? That's a pretty unique look. Dude, you could definitely use some practice. Oh, and maybe buy yourself some real boots. Whoa, it's driving like an actual tank. Just listen to that engine roar. Look, this field is massive. I can't even see the end of it. Let's keep driving around. Maybe we'll actually spot Ronaldo. His truck's here, so he's gotta be nearby. This is genuinely such a cool truck. Folks, I'd love to take this off-road right now. I bet nothing can stop this thing. Folks, what do you think of Ronaldo's truck? What's cooler, a Lamborghini or this monster truck? I honestly can't decide. This thing is just too cool. Guess Ronaldo's actually at the World Cup after all. It was just his fan out here. Well, Ronaldo's monster truck is back on the road. Folks, mission accomplished. Drop a like and maybe you'll have a huge truck like this someday too. That's it for today, folks. That's the awesome monster truck we found and fixed up. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to see more crazy vehicles. See you in the next video.